Kling AI O1 is absolutely amazing, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create your very own YouTube studio completely virtual. You'll learn how to build a professional setup that you can use for your YouTube tutorials with yourself as an AI avatar without ever filming yourself. And by the way, this video I did exactly the same thing with myself right here. Okay, the first thing I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me here to create an image for my YouTube video. And then we go here to Kling AI, and now I got this one here. And I like this. This is exactly what I want to see. And from this now we create a video here. Go to O1 to create. Now we get our image here. And now the next thing we need, the speaker, and this is me. And now I go here to element because I want to add an additional element. Now we create an avatar here, go to character, and now I add an image here from myself, go to uploads, and I choose this one. Good, and then go here to the name. This is me, and it's a character. Now we go to auto description. Good, okay, and now for the camera angles. Maybe we can change this, add a blue jeans. Character. And then go here. And now it is creating some camera angles by myself. I didn't know that before, but it's a very cool feature. It took a lot of time and I asked myself why it takes so long. Yeah, let me show you. And look there. This is pretty cool. And that looks exactly like myself here from the side. Yeah, I think it is this one here in the middle. Confirm. Character and hit generate. The guy from the image. This we have to change. The studio or a close shot from the studio, from the image. Where a YouTuber from element is sitting on the chair and looking straight into the camera, like he is making a video now. And hit on generate button. Wow, this is really cool. Can't believe. Amazing. Okay, and now we make the lip sync here. At first we click on this button here. So preparing the video at first, and let Kling AI check if it's okay. And we can use the video for make a lip sync. Alright, now we can use it, and here we can choose between some different voices, but I want to upload my own. And my full speech, it takes a little bit longer than 5 seconds, but this is not a problem. We can use only the first part here. And then after that, where I have more text, then I will add some preview images or video parts from my full YouTube tutorial, okay? Just like an like a short teaser, something like that. And then click here on add speech. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's video I got some welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's video I got some... Yeah, it is only till this time here where we get 5 seconds, okay, but no problem. We can move this here. So we got 5 seconds here. Just a little bit more. And then hit on the generate button. Okay, it is not bad. I really like it. Another thing, I didn't try it yet, but have a look here. If you want to expand the video, maybe you want a 10-second video, then go to edit here, to the edit button, but it doesn't work, you can see. The first video, it was here that we made, and maybe try it here. And go to edit, and then here you can see on the bottom here, on professional here, you see the duration. The standard is 5 seconds. You can also choose 6 seconds. Over here 7, 8, 9 or 10. Only with VIP plan you can make them, and here you can expand the video, you can make them much longer, okay? Look how incredible AI has become. You no longer need a professional YouTube studio to run a high-quality channel. With AI you can create your own studio and even design your own avatar. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, hit the like button, make sure to click the follow button, and I'll see you on the next one.